All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to dilate triangle ABC from point O with a scale factor of 2. So O is our center of dilation, and it's just going to go outward from here. And essentially what we want to do is we want to just do, we want to figure out how far is it from O to A, for example, and then do the same thing again, because then it'll be a scale factor of 1, 2. So actually, A is pretty simple. We can just count that real easily because it's just straight line. So it just goes up 2. So go up 2 again. Point A prime is right there. So we'll put point A prime right there. And then with B and C, this is where it gets a little tricky. So let's look at B first. To get from O to B, you have to go up 1 and over 2. Or you can go over 2, up 1, whatever works best for you. Or you can just go this diagonal at a slope of 1/2. But if you go up 1 over 2, we just have to do that same thing again. So from B, up 1 over 2, we end up right at that point, right there. And there is our B prime. Now we're going to do the same thing to get to C, except here we have to go down 1 over 2. And we just do the exact same thing again. So you go down 1 over 2, right there, C prime. And there we have it, triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, so with this, we're trying to actually find the center of dilation here. And first thing you should notice is that ABC is the big triangle. A prime, B prime, C prime is the smaller triangle, which means that this scale factor here is going to be less than 1. It's going to be between 0 and 1, some sort of fraction type thing. So here's the way that looks the best to do it. If you go from A, and you look at it and you think, all right, well, to get from A to A prime, what if I just keep going? Well, let's just try it one more time. We'll see if it goes one more. So you go, let's see, go to the left 2, down 1. So let's try it again. Left 2, down 1. I end up right here. And this is maybe our point. I'm going to go with a little question mark here. Maybe, possibly, if the scale factor is 1/2, then that's the way it would go, because it would split this thing in half to get to here. So let's try it with B. B is up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1. Ooh, it's looking a little more solid here because we got 2 points that agree with that. And then with C, C's kind of in a weird spot. C's in the middle here. So you're actually going to go over 2.5 and down 1/2. And then over 2.5, down 1/2. We actually end up right there. That's going to be our center of dilation. So let's get rid of this question mark. We know that that's the center of dilation now. And the coordinates of that are 3, 2. And like I said with point A, if we start here and we go to here, A prime is half of that distance. So the scale factor is 1/2.